Hey y'all, so I know it's been a while, but I have two videos for y'all today. And the first one, I'm going to be reviewing this lash glue liner. So it's supposed to be like an eyeliner and lash glue in one. As you can see, it's by iEnvy. So that's going to be the first tutorial. And then the second tutorial is I'm going to show you guys how I melt my wig cap to put on my wig. This is the first time that I'm doing this method, but yeah, y'all are gonna see how it turns out. So, y'all know how hard it is to put on lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all this is a lifesaver. Like, I love it. It is so easy to use. And it actually holds on your lashes. Like, so this is how it looks. This is the tip of it. So what you want to do is just shake it up, and then literally you're going to apply it to the top of your eye, just like a top liner where you would put your eyelashes, y'all. When I say this is so easy to use, like, I freaking love it, okay? So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and apply my lashes. And as y'all can see, it's already sticky. I would let it sit for about 60 seconds and then apply the lash, but you can literally put it on right after you put the liner on. I just like to wait a little bit. That's just me. But y'all, I loved it once I put it on. As you can see, I was so happy that it worked, and I love it. So this is me putting the other lash on. And let me tell y'all real quick, I'm so sorry for the, I guess the what is it called? Just the way the video is. You know, it's usually taking up the whole screen, but I originally recorded these two videos for TikTok, but I was like, you know what? I can put these both together and make a little cute YouTube video or whatever. But y'all, this is how my lashes look. And as y'all can see, this is strong. And it simply comes off if you just add water to it or just pull it off. All right, so now we're going to get to the fun part. This is the part where I melt my cap to my scalp. So I'm just using the got to be glue spray with this wig cap. This is a beige wig cap, but I'm gonna show you guys how I transform it into more of my skin color. So what I did, just pull the stocking cap down, or the wig cap, whatever, and spray the spray, and then you want to let it dry. I put about 2 layers. It really just depends on how you want it to lay. I put 2 layers, but once I got finished, I was like, you know what, I really could use like another layer, but it holds really, really good. And as you can see, I put it above my hairline, not on my edges, but like above my hairline. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. So now what I'm going to do is sew around where my closure would be. This is going to be a closure wig, so that's why I'm only melting it where my closure is going to be. Get what I'm saying? So anyways, next step is I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the excess cap just like this, and then I'm gonna go in with some of my foundation and apply it. Do y'all see how this is looking? It's looking amazing, okay? I love it. And like I said before, this is my first time trying it this way, but baby girl, I will be doing it this way more often because this ball cap method is really neat and it gives you a really nice finish. So the excess cap, like that's not, I guess that I didn't, put foundation on, you can cut that off if you want to, but I kind of just left it. But what I did cut off is once I put my wig on and I saw there was like a little extra wig cap peeping from under it, I did go in and cut that out. All right, so this is just how it looks before I go to the next step. Do y'all see how realistic this scalp is looking, y'all? And also, I did bleach the knots a little bit before, and I definitely plucked the hairline. It came pre-plucked, but I just did a little extra just because. All right, so now I'm just going to pull out my little baby hair and then add some more foundation, y'all. Makeup, listen, it can make your lace look completely different, okay? So yeah, I just went ahead and did that, and then I'm just going to figure out where I want my part and station it. All right, y'all. So now I'm going to take my electric hot comb and flatten out the top. As y'all can see, I have it on, I think it's 450, but y'all, I'm starting to love this thing more and more. I did do a video review on this straightener, and I will put the link below. Well, this hot comb, and I will put the link below. So then, as you can see, I just went ahead and cut my baby hairs, and still I'm going to do a little bit more plucking because I don't like a lot of baby hair. I just really like something nice and natural, really easy, you know. So yeah, and what I'm going to use to lay it is Gots to Be Glue gel, the black one, and also I did put some Gots to Be Glue spray over it. And as you can see, I'm just swooping here and there, making sure that I don't have a lot of hair when I swoop my baby hair. Like, I don't want thick baby hair, you know what I'm saying? I want them real nice and natural, like so. So now I'm just going to put some spray on my hand and just dab it on the lace and the baby hair, and then tie it down because that's what's going to make it really melt into your skin and give you that natural, salon look. All right, so while I'm letting my lace sit, I'm just going to throw some curls in my hair, just like some loose curls. Nothing, I guess, over the top because, you know, I just want something loose. So I'm just going to throw some curls in it like this. I got this curling iron from my beauty supply store. I think it was like $25, but I love it because it works really good. So once I'm done adding the curls in, I'm just gonna run my hand through it, or you can use a comb. It's completely up to you. But I just was like, let me just run my hands through it real quick. Just loosen it up. Give it a little pizzazz. You know what I'm saying? But after I took off my headband, this is how it looked. And you can leave it like this if you want, but to further enhance it, I'm just going to go in with some of my concealer mixed with my foundation. And I did it that way because my concealer is a little too light. So I use my foundation, which is a darker shade, to kind of darken my concealer so that it'll be, more of the color of my scalp that I want it to be. So I'm just going to use that and go in and fill in a little bit of concealer just on the part to enhance it and around the edges. And this is how it ended up looking, y'all. I love it. Okay. I'm in love with this ball cap method. It is so cute. It is so easy. It is so fun. So I love everything about it, y'all. Follow me on TikTok at Slade by Tamia. Follow me on Instagram at Slade by Tamia. And yeah, don't forget to shop my store, Slade Queen Boutique. I have a lot of new items on there and more to come. But yeah, that's about it, y'all. Thank y'all so much for sitting through this video and watching. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos. Bye. Bye.